Here's a 2019 Audi A6. Powerful performance is in Audi's DNA, and it has never been more evident than in this commanding and efficient A6. 2019 marks a full redesign, including the chassis and engine. Features include integrated navigation system with voice activation, front heated leather bucket seats, refrigerated box located in the glove box, aluminum wheels, intercooled turbo V6 engine, 4-wheel drive, streaming audio, dual zone climate control, gas pressurized shocks, auto dimming rearview mirror, and auto shift manual transmission. This A6 is crafted with precision, appointed luxuriously, and built with performance in mind. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today. At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on 1141 Cobb Parkway Southeast in Marietta, Georgia.